Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I would like to give you some guidelines to follow in order to overcome the various infections that has been, nowadays we are going to come across all this Omicron, Delta virus and the COVID-19 and all. So whenever anybody has been infected with this COVID virus, please don't be panic. It is only our role to overcome this kind of infections now because it is spreading very rapidly, and it's our role, it's our duty to make our body ready and accept that virus which has been attacking our body and fight against it, because we have to build our defense mechanism in the body and then build our immune system. Of course, if the immunity in our body is strong, then that virus cannot fight against us, it will just go away. But if our immunity is weak, definitely this virus, when it has been entering to the body, it will damage any part of the body. That is, most of them are being nowadays affected with this pneumonia and heart related problems when this COVID virus has been infected. Means it shows that it is damaging either lungs or kidneys. Mainly the lungs it has been affecting, because this lungs, when it is being affected, what is happening is it is leading to pneumonia. And this pneumonia condition is such a type where their oxygen levels, that is the saturation levels, goes down, because there is no air capacity in the lungs where it has been filled with the fluid. So we can overcome this kind of problems. Please don't be panic when you are being infected with this virus, because when we go to the isolation, it is very important to be stress free, because if the stress levels are increased, then what is happening is the immunity goes very down, the defense mechanism in the body is going down and down. Then what is happening is the virus is becoming strong inside, damaging our parts. But if we are strong mentally and then we are ready to overcome this virus, then our stability in the body will increase, and of course this virus cannot have that energy to fight against us. We will be having that strong immunity to fight and throw it away. But of course, whenever the body is being infected with this virus, either the lungs or the heart is being affected. So whenever this virus has been damaging our part of body, then what is happening is the tissues and the cells are being killed, they are being damaged. So having a very high protein food is very important in our diet, because this protein, when we are taking in a high biological value protein, what is happening is new cells and new tissues are being developed. Whenever there is a development of these new cells and tissues, what is happening is the organ which has been damaged is recovered very soon. So in that case, whoever is having a proper diet, even though they feel a very sore throat and all, that is a common symptom, but still, in fact, if you are still having the diet properly with a high protein diet, what is happening is the recovery rate is very fast. But the people who are not able to take a proper intake when they are being admitted or when they are being seen positive and all, what is happening is these cells and tissues are going on damaging day by day, and the organ is being damaged. That is leading to the deaths of many patients. But in fact, we can overcome this problem. We can overcome with our diet. Our body itself is having that ability to fight against any kind of infections coming to the body. But in fact, if we are weak, if mentally there is no stability, mentally there is no strongness, and then if the diet is not properly taken along with the medication, then definitely the recovery rate is also going down. So my dear friends, I really suggest, even from the WHO, it has been suggested that having a high antioxidants in your diet, that is nothing but having a colored leafy vegetables and colored all watery vegetables, colored fruits and vegetables, having in your diet will give you a powerful antioxidants. That is, it boosts the immune system to fight against any kind of virus or the bacteria. Secondly, there should be a very high protein diet in your diet, because it will give you a very fast recovery rate, because the damaged cells and the tissues will be repaired very soon and you'll be getting well very soon. Even if it is positive or negative, then still you have to have a very high protein diet, like having at least 4 egg whites and then having a lean meat and then having a paneer, palak, and then many kind of protein foods. And if you have an idea about the pearl millet also, if you are including it in your diet, the pearl millet, it helps even to clear your lungs which are being infected. So keep sipping warm water, and then start taking some soups in your diet, and keep taking the warm things and the fresh cooked foods, and please stop the foods that are being outside available readily to eat. Take the fresh cooked foods only and keep your health safe. Hope you have liked this video and that is useful to you all. Thank you all.